friends, welcome to Healthy Natural Remedies. Right now, around 37 trillion cells inside your body are working non-stop. Every second, millions of them die and millions are replaced. They repair damaged tissues, they generate energy inside tiny power plants called mitochondria. They copy and protect your DNA billions of times daily. But here's what most people don't realize. Every breath you take, every stressful thought, every ultra processed meal creates unstable molecules called free radicals. These molecules attack your cells, damaging membranes, proteins, and even DNA. This invisible battle is called oxidative stress. It's strongly linked to premature aging, inflammation, heart disease, brain decline, and even cancer. Your body already has built-in defense systems. But those systems depend heavily on what you eat. Certain foods activate protective genes, strengthen cell membranes, support DNA repair, and reduce inflammation at the microscopic level. So the real question isn't just what should I eat? It's, are you feeding your cells protection or pressure? Let's talk about the foods that defend your body from inside out.
Number 1. Berries, the antioxidant shield. Blueberries, strawberries, blackberries. They're rich in antioxidants like anthocyanins. Antioxidants neutralize harmful free radicals, unstable molecules that damage cells and DNA. Think of berries as natural rust protection for your body. Number 2. Leafy greens, DNA support. Spinach, kale, fenugreek leaves. Packed with folate, vitamin C, and plant compounds. Folate plays a key role in DNA repair and cell division. Healthy cell replication reduces mutation risk. Number 3. Cruciferous vegetables, detox boosters. Broccoli, cabbage, cauliflower. They contain sulforaphane, a compound that activates detox enzymes. These enzymes help your body eliminate harmful substances before they damage cells. Number 4. Nuts and seeds, healthy fats plus vitamin E. Almonds, walnuts, sunflower seeds. Rich in vitamin E, which protects cell membranes from oxidative damage. Your cell membrane is like a protective wall. Vitamin E strengthens it.
Number 5. Fatty fish, anti-inflammatory power. Salmon, sardines, mackerel. Loaded with omega-3 fatty acids. Chronic inflammation damages cells over time. Omega-3s help calm inflammation and protect tissues. Number 6. Tomatoes, lycopene protection. Tomatoes contain lycopene, a powerful antioxidant. Cooking tomatoes actually increases lycopene absorption. It's especially protective for skin and internal organs. Number 7. Garlic, natural defense activator. Garlic contains sulfur compounds that support immune response and cellular detox pathways. It's small but powerful.
Your body constantly replaces cells, but poor diet increases oxidative stress faster than your body can repair. Protection isn't about one superfood. It's about consistent intake of protective nutrients. Your cells are your foundation. Protect your cells and you protect your organs, your brain, your heart, your future. Add more color to your plate. Reduce ultra-processed foods. Eat foods that fight for you. Because cellular protection doesn't start in a lab. That's all for today. If you found this helpful, please like, share and subscribe Healthy Natural Remedies. Stay healthy, stay strong. God bless you.